बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एग्ज़ाम्स विद मुनव्वर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ प्लांट प्रोटेक्शन, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी एंड रिसर्च, स्टोर कीपर पास पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 11/12/2022 को हुआ था, इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। कंप्लीट वीडियो को वॉच कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिएगा और अगर आप चैनल पर नहीं हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Question number 1. How many months declared sacred dash? Correct answer D. 4 months. Question number 2. What is the main message of Surah Hujurat dash? Correct answer C. Ethics. Question number 3. What is meaning of Al-Baqarah dash? Correct answer A. Cow. Question number 4. What is the meaning of Ahsan dash? Correct answer B. Perfection. Question number 5. Light year is the unit of dash. Correct answer C. Distance. Question number 6. The headquarter of Asian Development Bank is in dash. Correct answer B. Manila. Question number 7. Trump-Kim summit was arranged at dash. Correct answer C. Singapore. Question number 8. Which country has imposed tax on carbon dash? Correct answer A. Singapore. Question number 9. Deficiency of vitamin A causes dash. Correct answer C. Night blindness. Question number 10. Another name of vitamin C is dash. Correct answer A. Ascorbic acid. Question number 11. International Day of the Forest is celebrated on dash. Correct answer D. 21 March. Question number 12. Chemical name of table salt is dash. Correct answer C. Sodium chloride. Question number 13. The blood vessels that take oxygenated blood from the heart to the body are called dash. Correct answer A. Arteries. Question number 14. The amount of matter is an object is called dash. Correct answer D. Mass. Question number 15. An email account includes a storage area often called dash. Correct answer C. Mailbox. Question number 16. Diamond is a very expensive ornament. It is composed of a single element dash. Correct answer B. Carbon. Question number 17. Study of plants is called dash. Correct answer A. Botany. Question number 18. Who invented the telephone dash? Correct answer B. Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 19. Hepatitis A is transmitted to different individuals by dash. Correct answer C. Water. Question number 20. Title Amirul Ummat was given to dash. Correct answer D. Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah. Question number 21. Name of the recent military operation started by Pakistan Army dash. Correct answer A. Raddul Fasad. Question number 22. In PowerPoint, the header and footer button can be found on the Insert tab in what group dash? Correct answer B. Text group. Question number 23. In MS Word, dash is used to put an atom a little below the normal text dash. Correct answer B. Control plus is equal to. Question number 24. Dash pen cannot be found in PowerPoint. Correct answer C. Word art. Question number 25. Dash are the methods to insert section breaks in MS Word. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 26. In MS PowerPoint, motion effects can be applied to the object of a slide by dash. Correct answer A. Animation scheme. Question number 27. Which shortcut key combination reset highlighted text to a default font in MS Word dash? Correct answer A. Control plus backspace. Question number 28. Dash is used for arranging data ascending descending order in MS Excel. Correct answer B. Data sort. Question number 29. Internet is which enables us to share information with other people dash. Correct answer C. Network of network around the world. Question number 30. Which statement about internet is true dash. Correct answer C. Both A and B. Question number 31. Dash is the storage area for the email account. Correct answer A. Mailbox. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Exams with Munawwar.